If you're setting up your YouTube channel and you're trying to make a banner, but you have no idea what the size of everything is supposed to be or where you're supposed to put your words so they don't be like they're not cut off, I'm going to make this really easy for you. I've already created a YouTube banner template inside of Canva with different viewing areas marked for you. So you don't have to figure all of that out. I'm going to show you how to open my template, change the words, add your own picture, change the colors, make it your own. So let's get right into this. I am going to share my screen with you, which you will temporarily see like this. So we're going to slide this over and you're actually going to see this is, now let me make this a little bit bigger here. Now, let's see if I can make me smaller so you can see more. Okay, that's good. So this right here is the YouTube banner template. And when you click on this, it's going to take you in. I don't know if it's going to do it for me like this. Yes, it does. A template created by me, Paula Forbes, was shared with you. So you're going to have to edit that template, view it. Okay. Now what happens is, let's close that and let's get back to right here. This is what it looks like. Okay. Now I've sectioned this off on purpose so that you can see what you can put and where you want to put it. Okay. So I've marked off this TV, as you can see, TV. That's what is seen on your TV. Like if somebody goes to your YouTube channel on TV, that's what they're going to see. Everything in this background, like all of the whole entire picture. Okay. Now, where it says phone, I'm just going to make sure that I'm seeing everything here. See the phone? That's where you want to have all your important stuff. And desktop is computer. Okay. So they only see like from the desktop to the phone to the desktop. You see? So TV is the biggest, but the really important part is in the middle. And I'm giving you this as a template. And you see these little purple lines? You do not want to cross the line. Okay? Don't cross the line. So you could put a photo or a picture back here. You could do whatever you want to. And we're just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you how to do this. Now, let's start with a QR code, if I could say it right. We're gonna come over to elements and I'm gonna type in QR code. Okay. Now it says create static. Let me just make sure you guys are seeing this good. Okay. Create static. Now you're going to enter in your website. So I'm going to enter in TheDigitalGranny.com. And then that's it. I'm just going to generate the code. Okay. Now you see right there. Woo. That's it. I could just slide it over here, make it a little bit smaller. Well, actually, I don't want it that small, but let's delete this. And we're going to delete the TV part because we know this. Okay. I'm going to put it right here because when they're on the TV, now you could put it where you want to. That's where I'm going to put it. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to leave this right here. Okay. Now we can customize. Look, change the background, change the color if you want to. I'm just going to leave it. We're talking beginner style here. Okay. So let's close that. Let's close that. We're just going to leave it. Now you could make your whole entire thing if you wanted to. I'm going to have some fun with this. So let me think about what a channel name would be. Let me think about this, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wing it and just show you what you can do. So I'm going to make my entire background pink because I like pink. That's purple, but I don't want it that pink. So let's adjust that pink. Let's go over here and we're just going to drag it and I'm going to make it a lot more like a pale pink. Okay. And I'm going to make this on my YouTube channel is going to be called, I'm winging this, you guys. Let's call it Silly Elephants. Silly Elephants. That's my channel. I'm going to call it silly elephants. What do we do? Um, share everything to do with elephants. You know, people like elephants. Don't you like elephants? Share everything to do with elephants. Well, let's get it like this. Oops. Everything to do with elephants. So we should have a big picture of an elephant in the back, right? Don't you think? I think that would be good. Elephant. So I don't know about you, but we could do do you want to do cartoon or what do we want to do? I like cute. Okay. I love cute. Oops. So if you make a mistake like I just did, I dragged the ruler. You don't want to touch those rulers. I left them there on purpose for you. So make sure that I'm just using my mouse to select. And when I put my finger on the mouse and then I push down, I am dragging this. They call it dragging it. Okay. So I'm just saying that because not everybody is at the same place. So I want that elephant. I'm going to get rid of the phone. Make sure that when okay, this is the TV, we know I'm going to delete all these. Okay. Because you don't want these to show up on your channel because that would kind of be silly. So I don't have an upload schedule. So I'm not going to do that. This is not written in stone, by the way. I just want to say this. This is just me giving you the framework. Okay. So website CTA, I want to say subscribe. I don't have a website. I just have this. So I'm going to drag this over a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to pull him down here. Now you could upload your own photo, your own picture, whatever your website is about. Okay. You want to have the most important things right here. And we could jazz it up a little bit. Subscribe. Just type in what you want. What do you need? Like there's a little, that's a nice pink subscribe. So I could get rid of this, right? Because that's kind of boring. And then I'm going to take this in here and I'm just going to put it right there. Subscribe. Silly elephants, everything to do with elephants. Now, I don't know if I would put everything to do with elephants. Let's get rid of that because I changed my mind. We're allowed to do that. And I'm going to drag this down here and I am going to see that center. That's the center line, like vertical. Now that's horizontal, but I don't like it like that because I got my subscribe. And I actually think that putting it over a little bit is going to be better. So I don't like that font. I'm going to click up here and I'm just going to change the font. Silly elephants. Let's do it like that. And if you've never used Canva before, you could get in there and just drag this. You can come up here, change the size, change the font. I'm not really going into like a Canva lesson. So I just wanted to help you kind of get the framework for this here. So we're going to get rid of background. Now, if you want to put something, you absolutely can. You know, maybe we could use a like a faded background. That actually might be really cool. We're just making this simple, okay? So I'm going to X out of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to pick a kind of like an Africa scene, Africa background, maybe. Like, do I put jungle? I want something Africa scenery. Let's do that. Africa scenery. Yeah, maybe something like this. This would be cool. Kind of more like, I don't know. That's not, maybe I needed something. What's this? That's kind of cool. Well, there goes my pink background though, right? And then we got, I don't know, let's try it. So, oops, position. I'm just putting it to the back. And what that means, hey, where'd my thing go? That should be in the front. So position just, it's like layers, okay? And the position should be on top. There we go. So I'm going to actually just, I'll make it white. See, you just change what you want. Make sure that everything is where you want it. And then I'm just dragging elements. We call them elements, okay? Now, I don't know if I like that like this. And the pink kind of got changed a little bit. But you can leave it. You could do what, this is just an idea, okay? I'd make sure you have one of these QR codes because they are very, very helpful. I could drag it up more. I don't even know if I really like that one. I think there's too much stuff in it. So I'm going to change it out. I'm going to change it out. And let's put in, maybe we can put in an elephant. Hold on. Let's see. Ooh, what's that? Africa scenery elephant. That doesn't, does Africa have mountains like that? I don't even know. Maybe we'll get rid of my cute guy. Well, let's just see. Because I kind of like this. Oh, that looks good too. Okay, this is a little bit longer than I wanted. So let's hurry up and do this. Let's hurry up and do this. I kind of like this. Yeah, let's get rid of the cute guy. And I'm dragging it. You see, you can, even if it doesn't fit exactly. Silly elephants. I think I kind of like it like that. And again, we got the position back. There we go. Back, 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 forward, back. It's like layers. Just think of it like layers of a sandwich. There's the cheese, there's the meat, there's the butter. It's the same kind of, it's the same kind of thing, okay? So this, you get the gist of this though, right? Because this is 12 minutes. I don't want to make it longer, but you get the gist of this. You can make it what you want. You can click on these colors. I can kind of like outline this. You could do all kinds of things. Just fool around in here and create what you want, but remember the middle space, okay? So, and if you want that template link that's going to be inside of my school community where I have other trainings as well. So I hope you'll join me inside of there. And if you like this, make sure you subscribe and make sure you give me a thumbs up in the give me a thumbs up in the comments. Or do you like my style of teaching? Okay. All right. Thank you guys. I appreciate you.